Read the first question, Soha. What is the first question?
Ma'am, 10th question is not visible properly.
Okay. Go to 11th question.
Okay, ma'am. 11. The bluish color of water in deep sea is due to A. The presence of algae and other plants found in water. B. Reflection of sky in water. C. Scattering of light. D. Absorption of light by the sea. Ma'am, the correct answer is C. Scattering of light.
Scattering of light. Why does the scattering of light take place in the sea water? Yes, children. Why do you think that the phenomena of scattering of light will happen? Yes. Think on the concepts that you have studied, all of you. What all types of sea water is you can consider sea water, you know, it is a liquid medium. It can be a type of solution. Is it a type of solution? Sea water, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes,
what
Yes,
type
ma'am.
of solution
Yes,
do you think? What type? It is a solution of so many things are dissolved in sea water, isn't it? Rocks, salts, and many other types of things, organisms. So what type of solution will be sea water? Yes? Beta, I can't hear you. Unmute करके बोलिए. Anybody? In which category will you put?
ma'am, suspension.
Which type?
Ma'am, colloidal solution.
Colloidal solution. Why? Why do you think it should be a colloidal solution?
Ma'am, because there are many particles present in sea.
Dissolved in it, in a dissolved form. Some are invisible and many floating materials are also there. But of course, it is a colloidal solution. And colloidal solutions scatter light, isn't it? Do they scatter light? Do colloidal solutions are able to scatter light?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to other children? You are confused? Other children are confused? Okay. Next. Read the next question. Navya, read the next question. Actually, the structure of I this time is not in our syllabus, and this question is related to the structure of I, isn't it? So when light rays enter the eye, most of the refraction occurs in which area most of the refraction occurs. See, when light rays are moving into our eyes, it is changing medium. From atmosphere, it is going into our eyes, which is not a gaseous medium. It is a solid structure. So, do you think refraction will take place in our eyes? Will
Yes,
refraction
ma'am.
take place at our eyes? Tell me, children, will refraction take place at our eyes?
Yes, ma'am.
Why will it take place?
And because of change in medium.
G man? Okay. Okay, ma'am. Yes. Sumi ma'am is joining. Yes. So, will refraction take place?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody was speaking just now. Who was speaking?
Ma'am, Abhay.
Abhay. Yes. Abhay, tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
why will the refraction take place when the light is entering our eyes?
Ma'am, because light is coming from a rarer medium to a denser medium. That's why.
Suppose, just a minute. You are telling me that light is coming from a rarer medium to a denser medium. Suppose light is coming from denser medium to rarer medium, then refraction will not take place.
Ma'am,
If,
then also refraction will take place.
then why did you say that light is coming from rarer to denser medium, ma'am? So refraction will take place. My question is, will refraction take place when light is entering our eyes? You are saying because it is coming from rarer to denser medium. अगर वो denser से rarer medium जा रही है तो क्या refraction नहीं होगा? मैं ये सवाल पूछ रही हूँ आपसे. Will refraction take place or not?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, whether light is all children, please make it clear that if light is coming from rarer to denser medium, refraction will take place. If light is traveling from denser to rarer medium, then also refraction will take place. Okay, so it is not a matter of rarer or denser. What is the main thing that you should say or keep in mind?
Ma'am, that refraction will happen both
No,
times.
refraction will happen. But why? I am asking that.
Ma'am, because of change in me.
Because change in the densities of the medium, डेंसिटी चाहे रेयर से डेंसर हो चाहे डेंसर से रेयर हो, डेंसिटी चेंज हो रही है या मीडियम चेंज हो रहा है. अब देखो एटमॉस्फेयर से लाइट एंटर कर रही है आपके आईज में, विच इज अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर. इट इज नॉट अ गैसियस स्ट्रक्चर. गैसियस मीडियम से लाइट एंटर हो रही है आपकी आंखों में, वो एक सॉलिड स्ट्रक्चर है. मे बी द सेल्स फ्लूइड्स आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट, बट इट इज डेफिनेटली नॉट अ गैसियस मीडियम. और गैसियस मीडियम में भी डेंसिटीज वेरी करती रहती हैं फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. ओके, so if medium is changing, definitely refraction will take. So that is the reason for refraction, not that rarer से denser चली गई है, उसकी बात नहीं है. rarer से denser जाए चाहे denser से rarer आए. Okay, is it clear to you? And right, where will it take place out of all these structure areas of the eye? Where do you think it will take place?
Ma'am, iris.
Crystalline lens.
The crystalline lens is right inside our eyes. Okay, ठीक है, आंख के अंदर crystalline lens placed है. और iris भी आपकी आई का internal structure है. When you move inside the eyes, then these structures come. और pupil is also the inner structure of the eye. What is the most outermost structure of your eye? That is in direct contact with the atmosphere. Which area of your eye? What do you call the white portion of your eye? आपकी आंख में एक ब्लैक एरिया है राउंडिश और एक व्हाइट एरिया है. मैं पूरा स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ के आए हैं 9th से. ओके, पूरा 8th में पूरा स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा है आपने. द व्हाइट एरिया ऑफ योर आई, व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड?
Ma'am, cornea.
यस, कॉर्निया. तो आपने जो ये कॉन्सेप्ट सीखा है, दैट वेयर डज रिफ्रैक्शन टेक प्लेस? राइट एट द इंटरफेस. Why don't you use this word, and why don't you remember this importance of this word and the logic behind it? Always refraction will happen right at the interface. So which is the interface between atmosphere and your eyes? Tell me.
Cornea.
Ma'am, cornea.
So therefore it will happen at the outer surface of the cornea. पहले लाइट सबसे पहले आपकी कॉर्निया को टच कर रही है ना कि लेंस के अंदर घुस गई है. Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, move to next question. Just a minute. Yes, Vidhi, can you
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
next question?
Okay, ma'am. 13. The focal length of the eye lens increases when eye muscles A are relaxed and lens become thinner. B contract and lens becomes thicker. C are relaxed and lens become thicker. D contrast and lens become thinner.
Any idea? See, when your eyes are at the is in a relaxed condition. So when your eyes are relaxed, when you see a very distant object, okay? When you see a very distant object, at that time, your eyes are in relaxed condition. And when you see nearby objects, your eyes are not relaxed. Your eye muscles are in the lens, the ciliary muscles of the lens are in contracted position. Okay, so they are not very relaxed. तो जब हमारी आईज कब रिलैक्स होती है, जब हम डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट को देखते हैं, और डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट को जब देख रहे होते हैं, उस टाइम द लेंस बिकम्स थिनर, वो खिंच जाती है लेंस और वो थिनर होती है. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? इज इट क्लियर? सो वहां से आपको ये को रिलेट करना पड़ेगा ये बात. द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द आई लेंस इंक्रीजेस व्हेन आई मसल्स आर रिलैक्स्ड एंड लेंस बिकम्स थिनर. ओके, जब कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड रहती है तो थिकर हो जाता है. Is it clear? And it is not in a relaxed condition. So this option you will choose. Okay, that eye muscles are relaxed and lens becomes. I have told this answer to you because this question is not directly related to the portion you have studied. ये थोड़ा सा कोरिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है जो इस बार आपकी टॉपिक, ये वाला टॉपिक इस बार आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है. लेकिन इतना नॉलेज आपको होना चाहिए. क्लास 8 में आप ऑलरेडी ये सब कुछ पढ़ चुके हो, इसलिए ये क्वेश्चन मैंने हटाया नहीं है. लेकिन आपको इतना नॉलेज होनी चाहिए अपार्ट फ्रॉम, बिकॉज यू आर स्टडीइंग द चैप्टर ऑफ ह्यूमन आई एंड द वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड. तो ये सब नॉलेज आपको ऑलरेडी होना चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर? सो ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस आर क्लियर टू यू, ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, ma'am.
हैव यू अंडरस्टूड properly? Okay, so just wait for a minute time. Is this? Just a minute, just. Yes, this question I was discussing with you. Are you able to see the shared screen?
Ma'am, it's loading. Ma'am, yes, it's visible now.
Few lines are written here for information. Case study type of question है ये. Okay? Case study type of question में आपको 2-3 lines दी होंगी और उस पर based questions पूछ लेते हैं. तो आपको lines ध्यान से पढ़ना चाहिए, and it is not necessary that the questions are always related directly. It may be related indirectly. More input on information you should have in your mind. Just a hint you can get from the things. Sometimes it may be related directly also. So in that way you should attempt it. So read this passage carefully, all of you. All living cells require energy for various activities, isn't it? Then what is the next thing? This energy. What is written there? Because it is hidden from my side, as I have your pictures there. The breakdown of simple carbohydrates, either using oxygen. And what is written beyond it?
Or without using.
Or without
Without using oxygen. Only this much information is given. Okay. Now they are asking you, energy in the case of higher plants and animals is obtained. In higher plants and animals, energy is obtained from breathing or from tissue respiration or from organ respiration or from digestion of food. You have to make choice. So which is the best option you will choose?
Digestion of food.
Okay, digestion of food. Any other option? Abhay says digestion of food. Any other option? Anybody is of different opinion?
Tissue respiration.
Who says tissue respiration? Riddhi? Okay.
Ma'am, Riddhi.
Okay. Okay. Riddhi says tissue respiration. Any other different opinion? Yes? किसी और की कोई और चॉइस है? No? Okay, let us see the options. Let us analyze and try to understand. Energy in the case of higher plants and animals is obtained. Now, which is the energy giving process in our body? Children, generally,
Respiration.
in all living organisms, which is the energy giving process? Yes? Tell me, children. आपके हिसाब से एनर्जी गिविंग प्रोसेस कौन सा है? We have studied different types.
Respiration.
Respiration.
Respiration. So why do you have to think so long? Why are you taking such a long time? We have studied the entire chapter on respiration, and we have first thing learned that respiration is a process with the help of which the organisms obtain energy. तो वही तो बात यहाँ पे लिखी है बच्चों कि एनर्जी हम कहाँ से डिराइव करते हैं, किस टाइप के प्रोसेस से डिराइव करते हैं. तो नेचुरली हमारे दिमाग में आएगा कि रेस्पिरेशन से. ठीक है, तो क्या हम डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड को चूज कर सकते हैं? डाइजेशन इज अनदर टाइप ऑफ लाइफ प्रोसेस and respiration is another type of life process. In digestion, we obtain food. We take food from the environment or other plants and animals, and they are using that food. Okay. Nutrients supply को maintain करने के लिए digestion of food हो रहा है. Okay. तो उससे हमें एनर्जी नहीं मिल रही है. वन स्टेप को है फूड सप्लाई हो रहा है सेल्स को, लेकिन फिर एनर्जी चाहिए सेल्स को. They can use the energy of the food that we have eaten. तो एनर्जी के लिए डिफरेंट प्रोसेस हमारी बॉडी में ऑपरेट हो रहा है, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्टली एज रेस्पिरेशन. ओके. अब रेस्पिरेशन में अगर बच्चे ने चूज कर लिया टिश्यू रेस्पिरेशन, यहाँ दो चीजें दी हुई हैं चिल्ड्रन. Two things are given here: tissue respiration also, children, and organ respiration also. So why haven't you chosen organ respiration, Riddhi? Riddhi?
Ma'am, yes ma'am, because ma'am tissue respiration में मैम सेल्स जो हर एक बॉडी पार्ट के पास जाएंगे और ऑर्गन में मैम वो एक ही उस पे रेस्पिरेट.
हाँ बेटा, एक ही
मैम एक ही मैम, जैसे कोई स्टमक को देगा, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन मैम ज्यादा पार्ट्स तक रेस्पिरेशन और एनर्जी नहीं पहुंच पाएगी.
Okay, you are thinking in the right direction, but you should put it in a different way little bit. That tissue respiration we will choose, not organ respiration, children, because energy obtaining process, each cell of the body needs energy. Okay, every cell of the body needs energy. So this process should operate at cellular level. तो यहाँ पे सेल्यूलर लेवल से रिलेटेड एक ही चीज हमें नजर आ रही है, वो टिश्यू रेस्पिरेशन है, बिकॉज टिश्यूज आर कलेक्शन ऑफ सिमिलर सेल्स. सो वी कैन चूज दिस ऑप्शन. ओके. ऑर्गन में भी रेस्पिरेशन हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं, बट ऑर्गन इज अ बिगर एंटिटी. ओके. कलेक्शन ऑफ टिश्यूज विल मेक ऑर्गन. सो वी आर talking about, or respiration is a process which is occurring at a cellular level, which should happen at a cellular level, because each cell of the body needs energy to do all the metabolic activities that are going on in the living organism's body. तो इसलिए आप यहाँ पे more closely related word लिखा. अगर टिश्यू यहाँ नहीं होता और आप organ respiration choose कर लेते तो आप गलत नहीं होते. पर टिश्यू यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है तो आपका most appropriate answer tissue respiration होगा यहाँ. Okay, that at most lower level from where work is starting, that you should pick up. Okay, that is why we are choosing tissue respiration and not organ respiration. Have you understood, children? Is it clear to
मैम
all?
अगर इधर सेल्यूलर
Yes, बच्चा.
मैम अगर सेल्यूलर रेस्पिरेशन हो तो हम वो यूज चूज करते ना
Yes,
सेल्यूलर
yes,
रेस्पिरेशन.
yes, definitely. It is happening at that level. Okay. Cellular level पे actually higher organ. देखो word भी use हुआ higher plants and organisms. So they are testing the depth of your knowledge. Okay. तो हमें थोड़ा सा alert हो करके apply करके अपनी जो information है उसको apply करके most appropriate answer choose करना चाहिए क्योंकि options में senior classes में बहुत closely related options दिए जाते हैं. तो आपकी डिग्री ऑफ नॉलेज को चेक कर रहे हैं, आपकी रीजनिंग एबिलिटी को चेक कर रहे हैं. Objective type questions, it doesn't mean that objective type question means you will just, it is very difficult to obtain 100% in objective type of questions, children, because there the questions are given in such a manner that you have to take decisions, you have to apply your basic concept. Okay, so इसलिए आपको थोड़ा अच्छे से ध्यान से प्रिपरेशन भी आपकी जो एग्जाम्स के लिए है वो जो टॉपिक है उसको बहुत डीपली पढ़ो. एक बार पढ़ने से चिल्ड्रन नहीं सब कुछ हम नहीं कॉम्प्रिहेंड कर पाते हैं. सो रीड इट repeatedly and try to widen your understanding ability and store more information in your mind. I am not asking you to memorize, but you read repeatedly. Your language will also improve and many information will be held up in your mind, and on the background or in the background of that information you will be able to take better decision. Okay, children. Okay, clear? We have more questions, but then I would like to stop here because